Hello everyone, it is Renee, aka Vicious Vixen, and I'm sorry if there is a glare from my glasses, but I need to see, so I will try to stay kind of over here, which might be a little off, but that's what we're gonna have to do, so y'all can see my eyes while I'm talking to you. My fingers look like antenna. Anyway, so basically, I have compiled this list of ideas that I've wanted to do for literally like ages. And I never get to it because I always end up planning to do like some big Halloween thing where there's just like 31 days of Halloween or something like that. And then because I procrastinate due to various reasons, some of it my perfectionist nature, some of it is depression. I just don't do them. And then I feel really crappy about it because I do like creating things, and then it just becomes this vicious cycle, which is vicious in not the way that I want it to be. So I've decided I'm going to try something a bit different. So basically, I'm going to take this list, and in this wheel generator thing, I am going to put some of these names in this, put some of these ideas, these aren't names, put some of these ideas into this list. And then from Sunday to Saturday, today is indeed Sunday. As you can see, Sunday, 1:40. I am going to spend Sunday to Saturday, or at least the time between that because I do work. I'm going to spend that time basically building whatever I need to for that look and recording that look and making a really nice video and whatnot. That way I'm not rushing to do things. I know that I have this time. I know that this is the idea that I want to work on, so I'm not pulling myself back and forth too much, basically. I'm really excited to do this, and hopefully it gets my creativity flowing, as well as I can sharpen my skills because I haven't gotten to do any creative makeup in a really long time and I miss doing it. So yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and start typing some of these into this name picker. So a lot of these things are just inspired by my dreams, because I got some weird dreams. Weird dreams. And some things that I've seen in real life, so like nature, art, and if they are looks that are inspired by artists or like recreations of people's art, I'm obviously going to credit them, because we don't steal things like that. We don't do that. Don't do that. But I'm just skipping around on the list and putting in, I don't want to like go straight down because I might end up having something that's like they're like two similar things because they're right next to each other, and I don't want to do that. So we're just going to skip around and put a few different things on the list. I think I'm going to put at least like between 15 and 20 this round, and then we will pick from that, basically, or the wheel will pick from that. Okay, so the choices we have in here, I'm going to go ahead and show you or read them out to you. We have Scarecrow, two-faced demon slash creature, elemental, my choice. I put my choice because I have on this list, they're just all kind of close together, so I figured I'd just pick one of those, and then we have the rest of them to choose from later on. And then I have werewolf, succubus, mother nature. Sershalou Scribbles look. Sershalou Scribbles is an artist on Instagram, and there's a particular look of hers that I really like. A nautilus creature, pinecone goddess slash guardian, afropunk android, cyborg. Two different things, if you didn't know. Deep sea creature, alien, Frankenstein makeup, and red fungus makeup. So we're going to spin and see what we get. Do I just click it? Do I just do this? Oh, no. Oh my God. What are we gonna get? I don't know why I'm so nervous, but like, I am. But I'm mostly excited. What do we got? What do we got? Oh, Okay, this is exciting because obviously we go jump right in with the prosthetics and stuff. Okay, so yeah, we have a week to do this. So what's going to happen is I am going to put everything together for this week. I'm going to film the process and everything and how I came up with it. And then the week after is when I'm going to post it. I'm not going to be able to edit. I'm not going to be able to film and edit all of that, basically. But we're going to take you along for this ride because it's going to be a hell of a ride, basically. Because this is going to be intense. So, yeah. I guess I will see y'all when that video's done. I will post like updates and stuff on Instagram just to show you how it's going along, how it's coming, and I promise I will not do like I won't use the full 2 weeks of like editing and whatnot to record. I promise I won't do that. If I do need extra time, I will let you guys know, but I won't like use the extra 2 weeks of editing to do that. So I will see y'all when this look is completed, and please stick around because I'm sure it's gonna be intense. And yeah, y'all have a good one. I'm already horrified right now. Bye-bye.